When you're looking to buy or sell a business, you need one of the top business brokers in Wisconsin. For nearly 20 years, Ed Krajcir and his team at Sunbelt Business Advisors of Wisconsin have been helping clients get their deals done. They specialize in business transactions, including healthcare, manufacturing, distribution, and service businesses. Looking for businesses for sale? They have an extensive network that will enable you to find your dream business. Ready to sell your existing business? Their professionals run a process to find a fair market value for the hard work you have poured into your business. They save their clients time and money by managing what might be the most important transaction of their life. With decades of experience, their business brokers in Wisconsin are a team you can rely on and are always confidential. When you choose Sunbelt Business Advisors of Wisconsin, you work with a trusted professional business authority with depth and expertise. Ed and his team have vast connections with attorneys, accountants, and bankers to assist you. Ready to work with the best business brokers in Wisconsin? Call 262-901-0086 or visit sunbeltwi.com.